Are you ready to explore practical steps for tackling tough conversations? This lesson outlines how to prepare for challenging discussions with confidence and positivity. Discover strategies to achieve successful outcomes in your interactions. Preparing for challenging discussions is essential. It helps reduce anxiety, boosts your confidence, and increases the chances of reaching a positive outcome for everyone involved. Start by identifying the purpose of your discussion. Be clear about your main goal and what you hope to achieve. This keeps the conversation focused and productive. Think about the other person's point of view. Consider their feelings, needs, and possible concerns. Showing empathy helps build trust and makes the conversation smoother. Before the discussion, gather all the facts. Avoid making assumptions and focus on objective information. This helps you speak with clarity and credibility. Select a private and comfortable place for your discussion. Make sure there are no distractions and choose a time when both parties can focus. Plan the key points you want to discuss. Outline the main topics and keep your thoughts organized to avoid straying from the subject. Prepare yourself emotionally. Stay calm and composed, and be ready to handle emotional reactions from both sides. Practicing self-control is vital. Remind yourself to practice active listening during the discussion. Be open to feedback, listen without interrupting, and show that you understand the other person's point of view. Plan to use positive and respectful language. Avoid blaming or accusing, use I statements, and always remain respectful, even if you disagree. Anticipate any challenges or objections that might arise, prepare thoughtful responses, and stay flexible to adapt as the conversation unfolds. Begin the discussion with a friendly greeting and clearly express your intentions. Show that you're willing to work together to find a solution. Consider all possible outcomes of the discussion. Be prepared to compromise if needed and have a backup plan in case things don't go as expected. If possible, practice the conversation with a trusted friend or colleague. Role-playing helps you get feedback and build confidence before the real discussion. Before starting the discussion, review your notes, take a few deep breaths to relax, and remind yourself of your main goals. To prepare for challenging discussions, clarify your purpose, understand both perspectives, gather the facts, and plan your approach. Practicing beforehand can make a big difference. Remember, good preparation leads to better outcomes. Stay calm, be respectful, and remain open and flexible throughout the conversation. Now apply these preparation steps in your own challenging discussions. Practice regularly and keep building your communication skills for even better results. Congratulations! You're now ready to prepare for challenging discussions. Continue to the next lecture to learn more strategies for managing difficult conversations.